Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy the Chihuahua token. It's quite easy to get this token. Log on to coinmarketcap.com using your browser, and once you're on the coinmarketcap.com, scroll down till you get to the market section. Now, the market section has a list of exchanges that host the Chihuahua token, and you can also look at the trading pairs on which they are traded, the current price, the depth, the volume, as well as the confidence and liquidity score. So once you've taken a look at all these facts and information, all you need to do now is head over to the MEXC platform, as that is the platform I'm going to be using for today's video. So have it in mind that we're going to be searching for the pair HUAHUA USDT on the spot trading option. So simply minimize, open up MEXC, and with MEXC opened up, please make sure you have an account. If you do not have an account on MEXC, use our link in the description so you can stand a chance to claim 1,000 USDT worth of welcome bonuses. So guys, once you're on the MEXC platform and you've registered your account, head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, by clicking on the deposit icon, you could simply click on deposit and deposit cryptocurrency of any form or any kind, like the USDT, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin, or Tron. And then if you have some fiat tokens or fiat currency you'd like to deposit, click on fiat, click on buy crypto, and you could simply buy Bitcoin using the P2P option or the express option, where you enter an amount of euro and you pay using your card, that's your Visa or your MasterCard, to gain some cryptocurrency, that's the USDT. You will gain some USDT on the site. So guys, once you've been able to deposit crypto or fiat, how do you get yourself some of the Chihuahua token? Head to the trade icon at the bottom of the screen, and we're currently set to spot trading. So the Casper drop down that says Casper USDT, click on it and simply search for HUAHUA. That's HUAHUA. Click on it, enter the amount of USDT you wish, set the market, set your trading type to market, which is basically buying at the current price of the market, and now simply click on buy HUAHUA. And once you've clicked on buy HUAHUA, your available cryptocurrency, be it the USDT or any crypto that can be converted into the USDT, would then be used to purchase the token, which you would then find on your spot wallet here. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.